I can't. Listen, I don't even know why we complain anymore, because it was just 60 degrees yesterday. Look at this. It's Sunday. And it's snowing. It was just 60 degrees yesterday. It was friggin' 60 degrees. My face looks red. I cannot believe it's snowing. One thing about this state, very bipolar. It is freezing right now. My hoodie on my head. Check the weather every day. When you live in New York City, you gotta check the weather every day.
I've never been myself, but it's been recommended to me by more than one. And then like basically you throw it. Yeah.
This place was big. I've never come here before.
I said again. I'm gonna do it anyway, but I won't do it out loud.
Tossing cabbage.
Yeah, might want to think about that.
Mind you, it's cold as hell out here. These Caucasian people love the cold. I try, but the feel is just too strong. I need to go over there. I want to get over there. I gotta go this way. video.
Io sei macronografia con uno ustedes.
Sí, mucho mejor.
They dancing. I think they're making videos or they're doing TikToks. I'm not sure. But oh, it's chilly out here. I never been up here before. I've been under, like underground. I'm gonna go under, like by the skating ring and stuff. I'm gonna try to find it. All right, let's see what's going on down here. Oh, it's called the Grace Shop Arch. It's kind of creepy on there, ain't gonna lie. Imagine walking on there when it's dark. I lost their case. Okay, I can't find the skating ring. I feel like I'm gonna leave. It's cold. I don't remember for sure. I'm back in Old Navy. I had to come back and exchange the shirt because it fits.
It fit me, but it's a little snug on my, It's a little weird, but I'd rather get small to have more room. I did not tie them on my waist area, just a little on my shoulder part. So you know what? Let me come back and get it small instead. I'm gonna go with Kimani too, because Kimani loves Bob Marley. I might need a small. This is men's, so. Oh, that medium looks big. Let me get too small, because I was gonna get the medium for Kimani, but this is a big.